Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I have come with a new poem of class 10th Hindi Samay Ki Pehchan written by Siaram Sharan Gupta. This is the summary. First let us see the summary of the poem. समय बहुत अनमोल है, उसका महत्व धन से भी ज्यादा है। इस कविता द्वारा छात्र समय के महत्व समझेंगे। समय अधिक महत्वपूर्ण तथा उपयोगी होता है। समय को जो अपना सच्चा साथी बना लेगा वह अपने काम में सफल होगा। इस कविता में यह संदेश दिया गया है कि हमें काम करने का जो अवसर प्राप्त होता है उसे व्यर्थ जाने नहीं देना चाहिए। We will see the hard words first. Anmol means priceless, Mahatva importance, Dhan wealth, Upyogi valuable, Sacha Sathi means best friend or good company, Safal success, Vyarth means wastage. So in this poem, the poet wants us to know or realize the importance of time. He is saying that time is priceless. It is more precious and important and valuable than wealth. Usually we think that if we have money, we have conquered the world. Everything is in our hand. But here poet says no. Time is more important and valuable than money. Now why he is saying that? We will see in the poem. First we will see the Kavi Parichय about the poet. कवि सियाराम शरण गुप्त का जन्म 4 सितंबर 1895 को मध्य प्रदेश के झांसी के चिरगांव में हुआ था। पिता का नाम सेठ रामचरण कनक ने और माता का नाम कौशल्याबाई था। ये हिंदी के राष्ट्रकवि मैथिली शरण गुप्त के अनुज थे। प्रारंभिक शिक्षा के बाद घर पर ही उन्होंने गुजराती, अंग्रेजी तथा उर्दू भाषा सीखी। 1929 में महात्मा गांधी जी के संपर्क में आकर वर्धा में रहे। उनकी प्रमुख रचनाएं हैं मौर्य विजय, अनाथ, विषाद, आर्द्रा, आत्मोत्सर्ग, मृण्मयी, बापू, नकुल आदि। दीर्घकालीन साहित्य सेवा के लिए उन्हें नागरी प्रचारिणी सभा वाराणसी द्वारा सुधाकर पदक प्रदान किया गया। लंबे समय की बीमारी के कारण 29 मार्च 1963 में इनका निधन हुआ। Now here the first we will see the hard words. Okay, here hard word will be Anuj. See, Anuj means younger brother. Okay, and Prarambhik Shiksha means primary education. Dirghakalin Sahitya Seva, it means long-term literary service. Nidhan means death. So here the poet Siaram Sharan Gupta, he was born on 4th September 1895 in Chirgaon of Jhansi, Madhya Pradesh. His father's name was Seth Ramcharan Kanakne and mother's Kaushalya Bai. He was younger brother of national poet Maithili Sharan Gupta. After completing his primary education, he learned Gujarati, English and Urdu languages at home. In 1929, he came in contact with Mahatma Gandhi and stayed in Wardha. Some of his famous compositions are Maurya Vijay, Anath, Vishad, Ardra, Atmotsarg, Mrunmayi, Bapu, Nakul, etc. So these were his compositions. Then, for his long-term literary service, he was awarded Sudhakar Medal by Nagari Pracharini Sabha Varanasi. And due to his prolonged illness, he died on 29 March 1963. So this was about the poet. Now, उद्योगी को कहाँ नहीं सुसमय मिल जाता, समय नष्ट कर कहीं सौख्य कोई भी पाता। आलस ही यह करा रहा है सभी बहाने, जो करना है करो अभी कल हो क्या जाने। पा सकते फिर नहीं कभी तुम इसको खोके, चाहो तुम क्यों नहीं चक्रवर्ती भी होके। कर सकता कब कौन द्रव्य है इसकी समता, फिर भी तुमको नहीं जरा है इसकी चिंता। Here we will see the hard words. Udyogi. Udyogi means a hard working person, entrepreneur. Susumay means good time. अच्छा वक्त. समय, time. Nasht means wastage, destroy. Sokya, happiness. Alas means laziness. Bahane means excuse. Then Chakravarti means king, ruler. Khoke means after losing. Dravya means wealth. Samta means equal. Chinta means to worry. So here the poet is saying that an entrepreneur or a hardworking person will always get good time to work. He will never complain or blame that he has not got time to work. Okay, because he is a hardworking person, so he will always get time to work. Whatever he wants to do, he will always be having good time to work. And he also the poet also says that if you manage your time properly, if you know how to work with your time, you will be successful. And if you waste your time, definitely you will be unsuccessful. You cannot achieve your target. Then in second stanza, Alas hiya kara raha hai sabhi bahane. Here the poet is saying that what is the main reason why do people run from their responsibility, from their duty? Why they do not want to do their work? Because of laziness. So laziness is the main reason why people don't want to do their work. They just delay. Today's work, they will say that I will do it tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, means they don't want to complete their task. So what is the main reason for that? It is laziness. So we should not be lazy. Okay, if you're lazy, you will not do your work, and you will lose everything. So he's saying that you have to be active, and whatever work you have to do, if it is today's task, you have to complete it today itself, because you don't know whether you will be alive or not tomorrow. Life is unpredictable. No one has the guarantee that he will live for 100 years, 90 years, 80 years. No. Yes. So whatever work we have to do it now itself, today itself. Do not delay. पा सकते फिर नहीं कभी तुम इसको खोके, चाहो तुम क्यों नहीं चक्रवर्ती भी होके. Now here the poet is saying that even if you are a king, even if you are a king or ruler, once you lose your time, once you waste your time, you will regret for that. Means a king will also regret if he has wasted his time. See, a ruler has everything, power, wealth, everything he has. But then too, in spite of having everything, he cannot buy his time. Once the time has gone, it is gone forever. So we should make proper use of our time. कर सकता कब कौन द्रव्य है इसकी समता, फिर भी तुमको नहीं जरा है इसकी चिंता. Now here he is saying that even if you are having wealth in the form of gold, silver, platinum, cash, property, in any form, if you have wealth, it cannot compensate with your time. Your time is more precious, more valuable than all this wealth. Then too, people are not realizing this. Then too, people are not understanding the importance of the time. They are wasting their time. So this is this is the truth which the poet is telling us, that we know that time is very precious, but then too we are not realizing it. We are not applying it properly in our life. समय ईश का दिया हुआ अति अनुपम धन है, यही समय ही अहो तुम्हारा शुभ जीवन है. तुच्छ कभी तुम नहीं एक पल को भी जानो, पल पल से ही बना हुआ जीवन को मानो. करना है जो काम उसी में चित्त लगा दो, आत्मा पर विश्वास करो संदेह भगा दो. ऐसा सुसमय भला और कब तुम पाओगे, खोकर पीछे इसे सर्वथा पछताओगे. Here the hard words is Ish. Ish means Ishwar, creator, your Lord. Anupam means uncomparable. Samay means time. And Shubh Jivan means good life. Tuch. Tuch means useless. Here the Tuch word is used to those people who don't realize the value of time. Means ignorant people. useless people, idiot people, they don't value their time. So here this word is used for those people. Okay, tuch. Pal pal means seconds. Then chit means full attention, full concentration, focus, 100% concentration, that is chit. Atma means soul. Vishwas means confidence. Sandeh means doubt, negative thoughts that comes in our mind, that is Sandeh. Susamay means good time, acha waqt. Sarvatha means always. Pachtaoge means regret. So now here, समय ईश का दिया हुआ अति अनुपम धन है, यही समय ही अहो तुम्हारा शुभ जीवन है. Here the poet is saying that time is very precious and uncomparable wealth given by God to us. Time is a uncomparable wealth given by God to us. Each of one, each of one has 24 hours a day. Yes, we cannot say that I have 10 hours and you have 24 hours. No one can blame that. No one can say that, because God has equally distributed time to everyone. So it is uncomparable wealth given to us. And see, some people believe that whenever they want to start any work, they see good time and bad time. Today I will not start because today if I do, it will be unlucky for me. So here the poet is saying it is nothing like that. Good time and bad time is just in our mind. So the present moment which we are living, that is only our good time. Whatever you want to start it today itself, now itself, because it is only the best and good time. Okay, now the next. तुझ कभी तुम नहीं एक पल को भी जानो, पल पल से ही बना हुआ जीवन को मानो. Now he is saying that tuch means you people, you useless people, you will never understand the true value of time. He's saying that you useless people, you people will never understand the value of time. Even each second is important in our life. Okay, if for example, if you calculate your age, how will you calculate? You will say that I am 15 years, 8 months, 2 weeks, 8 days old. Okay, for example. So how you calculated your age? With the help of time. With the help of time, like years, months, weeks, days. So this is pal pal, means the combination of or you can say a blend. So time is our life. Time is our life. It is very valuable. Even our life is dependent on this time. If we want to calculate our age, we calculate with the help of time. करना है जो काम उसी में चित्त लगा दो, आत्मा पर विश्वास करो, संदेह भगा दो. Now here the poet is saying that whatever work you have to do, you do it with your full concentration. You pay your full attention towards it, and you believe in your own self, and you have to remove all the negative thoughts from your mind. You can take your own example. You people are appearing for 10th this year. Yes, so you are preparing for your board exam. If you have a doubt in your mind that whether I will be able to pass or not, whether I pass or fail, so it shakes your confidence level, right? So here the poet is saying that whatever you are doing, for whatever work you are preparing, you have to do it with full confidence. You have to give your 100% in that. You have to believe in yourself, and you have to remove all the negative thoughts, fears, that whether I will pass or fail. All those negative thoughts you have to remove it from your mind. Then only you can achieve your target. Now last two lines. ऐसा सुसमय भला और कब तुम पाओगे, खोकर पीछे इसे सर्वथा पछताओगे. Now he is saying that this good time which you have got now, you will not get this again. This is your best time. This is your good time. So you have to utilize it properly. If you lose this time, you will definitely regret in future. Definitely you will have to regret for that. So without wasting even a second, we have to make proper use of it. We have to manage our time properly. Then only we will be happy in our future. So this poem was about the importance of time. The poet wanted us to know the true value of the time. I hope you understood this poem. If you like it, hit the like button, share and subscribe it. Thank you.